Greetings folks, this is the Taft Fly Baby from Taft Hobbies and Banggood. It's a very nice looking retro style low wing home build plane, I think, or the model is based on that. Looks fantastic, so let's open it up and have a look. Really nicely double boxed too, in a sturdy box. It's great to see some companies are addressing the problem of dodgy shipping companies. Okay, let's open it up. In a box, nice plain building cardboard there. Might do something with that later on. As you can see, it is very nicely protected in its polystyrene and taped together. Vertical stabilizer and rudder. Nice, good control horns with a wide base, decent size. I like that. Little plastic. That'll be a steerable tail wheel there, I guess. Good solid plastic brackets. Nice and stiff. Yep, that's looking good. We get nice big prop there, 11 by 5.5. Tail wheel, bits and pieces, brackets. Wing joiner spar, servo extensions. Here's the wing. It is quite a big model. I think it's 1.4 metre wingspan. Plastic servo covers there. And we have foam hinges plus a little plastic pin hinge as well, I think. Instruction manual there. Which looks pretty good, really. Nice big clear drawings. Excellent. And the other wing with a big Fly Baby sticker on there. So yes, horizontal stabilizer. We have foam hinges plus 3 plastic pin hinges on each side, plus the sturdy control horn. That's good stuff. Landing gear, that looks nice and substantial. Well braced and nice big thick tyres. And the fuselage. Oh, look at that. It's got a scale model control stick there. Good motor detail. God, that's pretty impressive. Looks good. Decals are peeling a bit there. I've got a catch for the canopy. Skywalker 40 amp ESC with one of those blue connectors. Servo's already installed. Cool. Okay, let's put it together. See what it looks like. So that's pulling 30 amps flat out on 4S. So there it is all together, the Taft Hobby Fly Baby, 1.4 meter wingspan retro low wing model. Absolutely beautiful looking plane. It's a really nice, easy build. Forgot my little radio aerial there. I've got to glue that in. Everything just bolts together very easily. I found the screws, as usual, were the wrong size really. They're all a bit too big to fit the holes and a bit too aggressive, so I just used my own smaller screws in pretty much all of those spots. But I love the attention to detail, all the bracing wires here, the motor parts coming out here, little joystick and instrument panel in there. Be a good spot to put a panning FPV camera, of course. Very good actually, because it's fair bit of view down out the front there. Can't wait to fly it. Alright, so far very impressed with it. I like it a lot, and in the next video we'll take it out for a fly. Thanks for watching.